I've made my decision, my love. I've gone to the end of the earth.
You're welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are making Ofada rice and Ofada sauce. The main thing is the Ofada sauce. So if you do not know how to prepare Ofada sauce, gather here right now and let's make it together. So as usual, I like to prep my ingredients before cooking. This just makes it very easy and very fast for me. So I chopped my cow skin, which is also called pomo. I chopped my cow skin. I added a little bit of salt into this, just to make it extra clean, because of everything that it must have gone through in the market. You can see the debts. So all of my ingredients are ready: onions, garlic, mixture of the green and red pepper. That's shaki, kidney, pomo, beef, and eggs. The eggs are not showing here, but this is the pepper already blended with onions and garlic. So I'm going to cook my protein first. So I'm cooking everything together. I'm not separating any at all. I added everything, even the cow skin, then onions, seasoning cubes, curry, thyme. Then you stir this. I added garlic and ginger powder, but if you do not like to use garlic or ginger, you can skip that part. Your seasoning cubes is just perfect. But to give it this very nice flavor and taste, I like to use ginger and garlic. I prefer to use the solid one, but I did not see, so you can use the powdered one. So now that's the meat is boiled. You have to keep the stock because it's going to be very, very useful. So you have to bleach your palm oil. You need to be very careful because sometimes if you leave it too long on fire, it can just catch fire like that. So I added in my onions and my locust beans, but I added in my onions first so that the onions can release its flavor into the oil. I added my locust beans as well for the same reason, just so it can release its flavor into the oil. So I added in my protein. I wanted it to fry, so I fried it with the oil. So when that is properly fried to how you want it to be, I didn't allow this fry for so long because I didn't want it to get be dry. I wanted it to still be just in between. So I added in my pepper mix. I was adding in the bleached palm oil little by little because I didn't want the oil to be too much in the sauce. So I added in my pepper mix and just gonna stir. I added in my seasoning cubes again. See, I just kept on adding little bit of palm oil, but mind you, this is bleached palm oil, not just palm oil, bleached palm oil. So I added in crayfish, curry, and seasoning for stew. That red thing is seasoning for stew, is signature jollof. If you do not like it, you can skip that part and just use your seasoning cubes. Is very, very okay. So I'm just gonna stir this and allow it to fry. Then later on I added my boiled eggs. Like I just used to say, there is no Ofada sauce that does not have boiled eggs, and I added the eggs early so that the stew can enter into the egg, and the egg would change color, and by the time we are eating it, it'll be very delicious. You can see the egg by this time that already changed color, and you can see the stew. It was green before, but now it's like a dark brown color. This is what we call Ofada sauce that went to Harvard. Do you get? So it's ready, and you can just switch off your lights from this pot so it doesn't burn. Serve your Ofada rice, then serve your Ofada sauce, Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you watched to this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you so much. So this is just a closer look of the Ofada sauce. This was so delicious. I enjoyed this meal so much. So now you guys know how to prepare Ofada sauce. Enjoy your meal, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me just serve myself and enjoy myself. Bye.